Trane XL80 giving a 4-blink code, open high limit device.only. I have no idea where to start to find the problem device.
Hello, my name is XXXXXX I will do my best to help you today.
Okay.
First, check the rollout limits. They are mounted on the burner box that surrounds the flames. They are a manual reset limit, so just reach in and push down on the small red buttons in the middle. If TH are open, then this button will click down. Here is a picture. Full-size image. There will be 1 to 2.
I saw them, I pushed them and no click. They just kind of move down. Almost like they are spring-loaded.
The main limit is located on the face of the heat exchanger with 2 wires coming off of it and is an auto reset limit. This limit has an open temperature limit and a reset temperature limit. It senses the air temperature inside the heat exchanger, and if you have an airflow problem, it will cause the temperature to rise and open this limit. It turns off the burners and lets the blower to try to cool the heat exchanger until it reaches the reset temperature of the limit, thus allowing the furnace to start back up. Sometimes when this limit sensor gets dirt or soot on it, it will not reset and it needs to be cleaned. Things that cause the limit to trip are a dirty filter, dirty evaporator coil, blocked return runs, blocked supply runs, malfunctioning blower motor not running, malfunctioning board, or simply a bad or dirty limit. So my first question before you get into this limit is, when you reset the power to the furnace, does it try to ignite and then give you this code again after a while, or does it immediately go to the code every time and not try to ignite?
Go straight to code, blower motor starts running, but doesn't try to ignite.
Full-size image. This is the limit. You will see only the front part, the disc and legs stick into the furnace. First, test to see if it is indeed what is open. To do this, turn power off and take the 2 wires hooked to it off and then hook them together. Turn power on and see if the furnace fires up.
Okay. Give me a few minutes to do that and I'll be right back.
No problem, just let me know what it does.
That worked, it fired up.
Okay, so it's not resetting. Turn power off and take the limit out. It is held in by just the 2 screws. Clean the disc off with a rag, then put it back in and try the system with it wired back up properly. If it resets, great. Check your filter and make sure none of your vents are blocked or closed. If the limit trips again, you may have a dirty evaporator coil or simply a weak limit and you need a new one. If it doesn't reset, you need a new limit. Do not run the system with the limit bypassed. It is the only thing that keeps your house from burning down if there is a problem with the system.
Okay. That did the job. Running on its own now with everything hooked up as it should. Going to replace the filter and make sure all the registers are clean and unobstructed. Awesome help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.